Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make Zarda Meethe Chawal. For this recipe you would need 1.5 cups of rice soaked for 30 minutes, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of almonds peeled and cut, soak for a few hours before peeling, 1/4 cup raisins, 1/4 cup coconut sliced, 1 teaspoon orange peel or zest, 5 to 6 green cardamom, half a teaspoon of food color of your choice, and some oil. Boil 6 cups of water. Water has now come to a boil. Add food color and rice. Cook the rice until it's 95% done, meaning it is fully cooked and not mushy. Then drain water and set aside. Next, in a pot, add oil and cardamom. Fry until fragrant. Next, add orange peel or zest. Then add rice. Mix well. Then add coconut, raisins, and almonds. Last, add sugar. Cover and cook on low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, mix well. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.